My heart is a Christmas tree farm.
Hey y'all, so to get started, you're going to take your yarn, whether it be red and green or white like mine, and you're going to make tassels out of it. This coaster is 4x4 and I wrap the yarn 25 times. Then I tied the top of the yarn and then I made my tassel. I tied around the top like so. Then cut the yarn apart and we're going to trim all of our tassels. And making the tassels is one of the longest parts. Honestly, I just turned something on TV and watched some of my shows that I had recorded while I was making tassels. So now we have our tassels and you're going to brush them out. This also takes a minute. I use my cat brush. I didn't know what else to use. That's what I had, so that's what I used. And on and on and on we go. Oh, and you do have to trim them at the bottom when you brush them out. This yarn is from Dollar Tree. So y'all know it's thin and not the highest quality, but hey, it's $1. Oh, and we're making 15 tassels. You will need 15 of these. So this board I bought at Walmart. And we're going to take the sticker off. And now we're going to place the tassels on that board. There's a row of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Using hot glue, I hot glued all those bad boys down. And burnt myself in the process, I will tell y'all. Next, we're going to take a tree branch out of that pack I got at Hobby Lobby in the Christmas section. Hot glue that on there and you're done. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.